Hello, we're going to show you how to check a read sensor on a Macnaught pulse board from a pulse flow meter. Now, as you can see, the pulse board sits in the top of the flow meter, so we need to pull that out, and that's done by undoing these two screws. When we have the pulse board in our hand, it will look like this, and all I've done for this configuration, we have the read switch is determined by these two little black wires, and that is in terminals 1 and 2, which you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the board itself. So what I've done is I've put my multimeter probes into 1 and 2. I've set my multimeter onto continuity, and then it's open circuit at the moment. I then have a magnet on the end of my screwdriver, and when I wave that magnet underneath the sensor, you can see it goes short circuit. As soon as I take it away, it's open circuit. Goes short, goes open, goes short, goes open. You can also check this by leaving the pulse board in the flow meter, and if you pass fluid through the flow meter and use the rotors turning underneath it to do the same thing. And that is how you check a read switch on a Macnaught pulse board.